Hi everyone, welcome to our CNC production line. We have 2 lines of CNC machines, in total 24 sets. CNC production is generally for the products which requires high precision, such as this one in my hands. They are medical components. If you have any products that requires high precision, please send us your drawings for quotation. Thank you. Bye.